with your opening statement.
I have never seen my grandmother. She was a proud farmer, but she lost her life giving birth to my mother at the age of 22, at the same age as I am standing in front of you, because she could not afford healthcare. I stand on the stage today to represent her and all the farmers of our country who work hard for our sustenance but cannot afford sustenance. Tonight, when you have your meal, remember that farmer who worked hard so that you could have your daily bread. I'm very grateful for this platform because it helped me reach a lot of people and highlight the fact that we need to give sustainable livelihoods to our farmers and we need to support them because the future of this country lies in their hands. So if I win tonight, I want to use the resources to work on a national level so I can reach this idea to many more people because I believe we can truly change the fate of India one farmer at a time. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our top 5 finalists, Adeline Castellino. The question is, does religion unite or divide people? क्या धर्म लोगों में एकता जगाता है या मतभेद पैदा करता है?
Religion definitely unites people. It has values that bring people together. People believing in the same things come together and stay in harmony. Me coming from Kuwait, when I first came to India, I really loved the fact that all religions stay together in harmony. We celebrate Diwali, Christmas, Eid all together. And what a beautiful scene that is. That we can stay together, respect each other's belief, and be in harmony, and progress with each other forward to the future. Thank you.
Marcelo.
Buenas
noches, Nicaragua. Es un honor para mí formar parte de las 4 finalistas. Es un honor para mí también representar a mi bello diamante de las Segovias, Estelí. Y quiero aprovechar este espacio para agradecer a todos los nicaragüenses que me han acogido con amor por su apoyo incondicional. Gracias a ustedes y a su motivación estoy hoy de pie firme en este escenario.
Por Luis Báez. Si pudieras regresar 5 años en el tiempo a decidirte algo a vos misma, si pudieras regresar 5 años en el tiempo a decirte algo a vos misma, ¿qué te dirías?
Buenas noches. ¿No saben cómo me conmueve esta pregunta? Si pudiera viajar 5 años atrás, le diría a esa niña que anda vendiendo en las calles, si podés. No, tus sueños no dependen de tu poder económico. No te limites, no le hagas caso a las personas. Tenés potencial y lo sabes. Toma tu poder y alza tu voz. Y es por eso que estoy hoy aquí, porque ya me di cuenta que tengo voz, que soy una mujer capaz y soy una mujer nicaragüense, que lo que se propone lo cumple. Gracias, buenas noches.
Gracias.